Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, I will guide you through a simple but important setting in Google Chrome on your mobile device. If you want to stop Chrome from saving and automatically filling your payment methods, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it quickly and easily. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Payment Methods. Now you will see the option labeled Save and Fill Payment Methods. Finally, toggle this option off to disable Chrome from saving your payment details and filling them automatically. Thank you for watching. Disabling this feature helps protect your payment information. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more useful tech tips.